bounced uphill and started back home with a brush and a quill. I worked every day and all through the night. If only I knew that this road just ain't right. But I kept working. Oh, I was working to make a dime for a home and a good life for the kids and the family, and especially my wife. I kept working. Oh, I was working. Gravel road that I chose, it never ever ends. When I climbed all the hill just to notice there where it bends. I don't wanna quite, for I have the will. But what must I do with a brush and a quill? But I kept working. Oh, I was working. People kept on telling me that I have it made. Little did they know the price that I paid. I was on the way to the fame that I crave, and on the way I noticed that this road was not paved. I kept working, I kept working, I was working. This gravel road is so rough, it's ruining my shoes. What must I do to pay all the